Hey everyone, this is Lomi, and this week I'm backtracking a little to share a doll head that arrived back at the beginning of December, after being ordered at the end of last summer. When my sister ordered her soul doll Kate during the discontinuation event, my mom helped me get something too. A soul doll Zenith Paratisi head. It would have been nice to get her a body, but that can always come later. I didn't really like the soul doll body for this particular character anyway. This particular head is for a character from Runen Faral's books. This will become Invesi, Archmage of the Temple of Magic where Faral trains. I've found this doll's features really unusual and interesting. I think they'll work well for the character, who I described as having a sort of thin and pointy face, and whose expressions range from cold to sour. She's all serious all the time. While blank, the doll mostly looks kind of pouty, but I think she'll have a really interesting haughty look when I'm done painting her. I'd love to give this doll a face-up right away, and I considered doing it when she arrived back in December alongside my sister's soul doll Kate, but since she'll be a hybrid doll, it's best to wait so I can blush the head to match whatever body I get. I want her to be very long-limbed and slender, and I haven't picked a body yet, so her face-up won't be happening for a while. But that doesn't mean I can't start planning. When I work on my dolls, I like to start by sketching out possible looks for their face-up. I do this by taking a photo of the doll straight on and then taking that image into Photoshop. I don't spend a lot of time planning blushing for this doll, since I don't know how much I'll need to adjust her skin tone to match her to whatever body she ends up with, or what colors will look good with that resin. But I do work on figuring out how I want her brows to be shaped and positioned, and how thick I want her eyelashes to be. She'll have heavy eyeliner, which is related to her position. When mages become powerful enough to be declared a master of their craft, they're allowed to wear white. And when a master reaches a position that comes with political influence, such as a leadership role or one of the king's personal mages, they're allowed to mark their eyes to let everyone know they aren't just any master mage. Most mages paint their eyes with designs related to their particular skills or their personal taste. Invesi's chosen marks are very utilitarian. They're to be noticed and not decorative, which says a lot about her personality. Though her powerful magic extends her life, it comes with a certain price. Using extremely powerful magic puts a great deal of stress on the body, so most mages skilled enough to be masters have gray or white hair. That means painting Invesi will be interesting for me, because I've never done white brows or lashes. I might have to practice a bit before I get a look I like. So that's probably as far as I can go with planning for today. I'll save this reference for when it's time to paint her, but for now she'll stay in her box. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.